Alright, what's up guys? It's 5 p.m. and we just left work. We are gonna go to a car show an hour away.
To our work. Alright? One of you freaks, one of you 10 people who watch our videos. Freaks.
Yeah, we don't need you stalking us in our hot bods.
Yeah.
Shit. This loser came to hang out at our work and wait for us because he was so excited about this sick meat. I'm gonna change my shirt and then we're gonna head out. Woo. I didn't see you standing there. Alright. Get this show on the road. Oh, get a little cold start? Cold start? Stick! Alright, actually we're gonna go meet up with Kevin first and then drive down there as a squadron assembled. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright, just got to the parking lot. We met up with Kevin, clean up the cars real quick, and then we're gonna head out to the show.
I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, you know how he afforded those tires? Because he saves all of his money for himself.
Yeah.
Man, let me get some Rite Aid.
Kevin is the type of person that would go into a Rite Aid with you. The person behind the cash register would go, "Hey, do you have a Rite Aid card?" And then you go, "No." Kevin has a Rite Aid card. He doesn't even offer it to help you get the discounts. That's how he has these nice wheels.
Didn't even listen to the guy. Whatever.
Kevin's also got to clean his car right here. So yeah, we're gonna head out in a minute and go to the car meet or car show. I don't really know what it is, but we're going there. Got to the car show, and of course they parked us in the section where Hondas are playing insanely loud music with a house speaker put onto their goddamn roof. This always happens every time we go to some weird car meet, but it's actually pretty well organized. There's a lot of cars here, good selection, so I guess let's walk around and check it out. Alright, so we had to move spots because of the Honda kids and their stupid loud radios. So now we got a spot over here. We got the Mini, got the E36, the Mark III, and the Mark VI. Pretty cool so far. Some people have been stopping by, talking to us about the cars, taking some photos. So yeah, we're gonna head over to the main section where it's a little bit nicer, a little bit more lit up, and see what's going on over there in a second. Kevin's talking to some people right now. Brian's talking to somebody.
I hauled the Hoagie down here because I'm the only real true motherfucker.
Yeah, he's the only true Hoagie hauler. Hoggin' Hollies.
Hoggin' Hollies, dude. Gotta Hoggin' Hollies.
Check this out. There's sick ass Mark VI with a kayak on it. So, you know, they're hauling something. But yeah, we're gonna go walk around and see what else is here. We just got word that there's this sick ass build over here. It's like, I don't know, it's blue with a white roof. And they got like some type of amenities built into this thing. It's super sick. You stoked for it?
I can't wait, dude. I've been waiting for it. Actually, the whole drive up, I've been thinking about it.
Yeah, it's gonna be the sickest build here.
Look at that idiot. Look at that idiot trying to vlog.
We almost got hit by these cars because they were so quiet we didn't hear them coming. Oh shit, we're almost to the sickest build.
Alright, so before we reveal this sick ass car, the owner's name is Bob. We just want to give him a shout out.
So actually, he actually goes by Mr. Bob.
Well, MrBob.com is his website, so check it out if you're interested. But here it is. Check it out.
Dang, look at, dude, it's got suicide doors, right? Those are suicide doors.
Yeah, check it out. Hold on, watch this. Is the best feature.
What?
That's a little poop
Yo,
joke.
it's
That's
got
a little
locked.
poop joke for you.
Shout out to the sick livery, Mr. Bob. Yeah, that's that sick build. This is the sickest build that we've seen here. Ryan's over here showing somebody his tune.
I'm telling you, mine doesn't move like that.
Really? That's funny. What are you doing?
So I get the fancy
Yeah.
stereo controls, but I get screwed out with the fact that I can't dim them enough. Wow, that's crazy. I'll give it a try. But
Yeah, for sure.
cool. All right, brother. Thank you so much.
Buddy, I'll see you.
I'm showing you how the football lights work.
Oh. They just gave everybody permission to rev the shit out of their cars because there's too many cars here to do a two-step contest. So everybody's just revving it right now throughout the entire show. It's kind of crazy. Fucking sickest car here, dude.
Check it.
Check out my fucking wheels. All right, so the car meet was successful. Had a lot of fun, but we're about to head out in a minute. We got an hour drive back. So yeah, thanks for watching. Tune in next time. See you later. Bye.